Okay, we have here, we have the kitchen, very nice and everything. We have
Whoa,
our
just levels. I
tables
wanna
and
ride
chairs,
it.
which is our... Okay, shut the fuck up! We have our, dining area, which, you know, we just sit here, have our dinner, and that other stuff. We have our living room, where we have our nice little TV, watch our little favorite shows on, like Combination. Very good comedy. Little computer. Got dump room in here, you know, just checking out a book in our library. And then we have our armory, where we have Combine just sitting there. He's pretty bored, pretty bummed out after the Citadel exploded. And then we got our weapons, and then the Combine little monitor thingy. Pretty awesome. And that's pretty much the house. Bedrooms. Bedrooms are freaking. Need matches for that one, so we're running low on mattresses. And that is the tour of the house. Thank you. Thank you. Goodbye.
Mid, Hulk, angry. Oh,
Turtles! I like turtles!
Turtles are bouncy.